Hey there, points enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart with Points, where we turn travel dreams into reality without breaking the bank. I've got some incredibly exciting news that's got me practically bouncing off the walls today. You know how scoring Japan Airlines first class seats is about as easy as finding a unicorn riding a bicycle? Well, that might be about to change. JetBlue has just quietly dropped some massive news that's sending ripples through the points and miles community. They've released Japan Airlines first class award availability through their TrueBlue program, and this is huge. We're talking about access to one of the world's most prestigious first class products between London Heathrow and Tokyo Haneda. Now, let's talk numbers. You're looking at 180,800 TrueBlue points for a one-way first class seat. Is it cheap? Not exactly. For comparison, booking through British Airways Executive Club would typically set you back between 120,000 and 150,000 avios plus fees. But here's the thing, this isn't about getting the absolute lowest price. It's about actually being able to book these incredibly elusive seats in the first place. For our UK listeners wondering how to get their hands on TrueBlue points, you've got several options. You can transfer from American Express UK to JetBlue through the US Amex partnership, fly JetBlue's London-New York routes, or use certain third-party booking sites that offer TrueBlue points. What makes this first-class experience so special? Well, you're getting an incredibly private suite, exceptional Japanese dining, and, this is the cherry on top, their famous Salon Champagne that costs over £300 per bottle. Yes, per bottle. If you want to search for these seats, head over to jetblue.com, log into your TrueBlue account, and search for flights between London Heathrow and Tokyo Haneda. Make sure to select the Points tab and look specifically for Japan Airlines operated flights. This development really shows how the loyalty landscape is evolving, with unexpected partnerships creating new opportunities for premium travel experiences. While the points rate might not be the cheapest, having another way to book these highly sought-after seats is definitely worth celebrating. Before I wrap up, I want to thank you all for tuning in. If you're enjoying the show, make sure to subscribe on all major podcast platforms or head over to smartwithpoints.co.uk for more travel hacking tips and tricks. Looking for the best award flights? Use awardtravelfinder.com to search availability across Qatar Airways, British Airways, Cathay Pacific and more. Try it for free with our link in the show notes.